Bybit has announced its latest launchpad project, MetaCene. Until September the 4th, Bybit users will have the opportunity to earn their share of 5 million MAK tokens. To participate in the launchpad, users must hold Mantle or Tether tokens in their Bybit accounts. In this video, we'll discuss what MetaCene is and how you can participate in the latest launchpad. MetaCene is a project that's leveraging blockchain technology in gaming, more specifically the MMORPG genre. In line with Web3 principles, MetaCene embeds game logic and code into smart contracts, allowing both fungible and non-fungible tokens to be seamlessly integrated into games. The resources in MetaCene, which includes weapons, equipment, real estate, land and so forth, are all integrated as NFTs, allowing players to have full ownership and control over their in-game assets. When it comes to gameplay, MetaCene aims to provide both PvE and PvP experiences. The game implements mechanics from the roguelike genre in its dungeon battles, where players can level up and earn loot by defeating monsters in dungeon encounters. In the PvP game modes, players can compete with each other for valuable resources. PvP gameplay in MetaCene features distinctive storylines centered on resource and interest conflicts, blending elements of both confrontation and cooperation. The MetaCene ecosystem features two tokens, MUD and MAK. MUD is designed to function as the in-game token, and has an unlimited token supply. Within the MetaCene game, MUD is sometimes referred to as silver coin. The token can be used to purchase equipment, facilitate in-game trades, trade NFTs, and participate in in-game auctions. Meanwhile, the MAK token has a fixed supply and is designed to power MetaCene's decentralized governance system. In addition to granting access to governance, MAK can also be used to purchase lands, and can also be staked to synthesize advanced NFT assets. MAK token holders can access VIP benefits within the MetaCene world, and can also experience new equipment and in-game areas before they're accessible to the rest of the player base. MAK has a total supply of 1 billion. 36% of the token supply has been reserved for community and marketing, 24% has been allocated to the project's fundraising efforts, and 20% of the tokens will be held by the MetaCene team. 16% of the supply has been reserved for growing the MetaCene ecosystem, and the remaining 4% will go to the project's advisors. If you are interested in getting MetaCene's MAK tokens on Bybit LaunchPad, the first thing you'll need is a Bybit account. If you don't have an account with Bybit yet, use the link in the description to get a bonus of up to $5,000. Keep in mind that only users who complete an identity verification process with Bybit are eligible to participate in token farming on Bybit LaunchPad. Once your account is ready, you'll need some Mantle or Tether tokens. If you already own these tokens, you can deposit some to your Bybit account. Otherwise, Bybit offers plenty of ways of purchasing options with either crypto or fiat. After your account is verified and loaded up with eligible tokens, head over to the menu on the top side of the Bybit interface and select Trade. Then, go to Spot X. From there, continue by selecting the Launchpad option. Next, choose the method you want to use to participate in the Launchpad. The method of earning MAK tokens will depend on which tokens you want to use. If you hold Mantle tokens, you will be able to get a MAK allocation through the traditional Bybit Launchpad process. Meanwhile, if you want to participate with Tether, you will be entered into a lottery draw, where the amount of tickets you receive will depend on your average USDT balance and your trading activity on Bybit. 50% of the order tokens reserved for the Launchpad will be distributed to Mantle stakers, and the other 50% will be distributed to the Tether lottery participants. In total, Bybit users will receive 5 million MAK tokens through the MetaCene Launchpad campaign. The Launchpad will close on September the 4th at 11:59 a.m. UTC.